In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Wix website editor with ease. Whether you're new to website design or looking to enhance your skills, this guide provides a clear path through the process. Let's dive in and get started. First, we're going to head over to the Wix website editor under My Site. If you're already familiar with this interface, you'll know it's a powerful tool that lets you customize your site effectively. If it's your first time, no worries, I'll guide you through each step. Accessing the editor is your gateway to crafting a personalized online presence that matches your vision. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to click on the Dev Mode button. Activating Dev Mode is essential for those who want to delve deeper into customizing their website. This feature gives you access to more advanced design and functionality options, providing an extra layer of control over your site's appearance and operations. After clicking on Dev Mode, you'll want to turn it on. This action unlocks a wealth of coding and editing capabilities, allowing you to tailor every element to your liking. It's as if you've opened the door to a treasure trove of options. Exciting, right? Next, focus on a specific section of your website by clicking on it. This is where you can edit details and apply changes that align with your brand identity. The power of website design is in the details, and focusing on individual sections ensures that each part of your site is precisely as you want it. After selecting the section, look for the feature labeled Collapsed. Clicking on this will help you manage how content is displayed on your site, an essential element for user navigation and experience. An organized and intuitive layout will enhance visitor engagement, so don't overlook this step. Following that, you'll want to switch to Mobile View. As mobile devices become the primary tool for accessing the web, ensuring your site functions well on them is crucial. This transition will show you how your layout translates to a smaller screen, allowing for necessary adjustments. Once in Mobile View, click on that same section again. This revisiting ensures that the adjustments made earlier look just as seamless on mobile as they do on a larger screen. User experience across devices is key to maintaining a professional online presence. The next step is to turn off the collapsed feature for your section. Doing so finalizes the layout adjustments you've made, reinforcing the improved structure and accessibility of your site for all users. After you've made these changes, remember to click Save. This simple but vital action ensures that none of your hard work goes to waste. Saving your progress often is a good habit to develop as you develop your site further. Next, click on Save and Continue. This function not only saves your latest changes but allows you to move forward with confidence, knowing your progress is securely backed up. With your changes saved, click Done to exit the editing interface. This step confirms the completion of your session and provides a sense of accomplishment as you view the work you've done. Finally, return to Dev Mode and turn it off. While the extra features are fantastic for customization, turning it off signals the end of your session and prepares the editor for future work. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the Wix website editor and creating a site that reflects your unique style and needs. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!